Do you actually like birds flying in the air, chirping, making sounds, looking beautiful, and making you feel so beautiful and content with the life? But this reality is a horrifying truth in Gaza for many Palestinian children, women, seniors. They're flying in the air like birds, broken, battered with the bombing that Israel is doing over there. And we are silent. We will be questioned of our silence. We will be questioned for our ignorance. We will be questioned by the very Creator who created us and those. Those people dying are going to Jannah, to paradise, at a better place than you and I are. But you will be questioned because we are in the test of our silence. We are in the test of not doing anything. We are in the test because of our inactivity. 52 Muslim countries in the world, and they're not doing anything, taking any action against Israel. It's Allah alone is on their side, and they are actually being submissive, being obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are not losing their faith. They're losing faith on us as Muslims, as believers, as people of conscience. They're dying, and the world is silent. And when everybody says all eyes on Gaza, there are no eyes on Gaza. And eyes that are there are being killed. The journalists, the doctors, everybody is being killed. Everybody is watching. Today, in this day and age of social media, the awareness and everything, we're not able to push our governments to do anything, to take any action against this Zion Israel. They are the worst people on this earth of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.